Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're fed up with portable speakers that lack power, die too quickly, or can't survive a splash at the pool or beach, then you're going to love this. Today we're cranking up the JBL Boombox. This rugged Bluetooth speaker delivers massive sound with deep bass, 20 hours of playtime, waterproof design, and the ability to connect multiple units for epic parties. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want booming audio that keeps going all day and handles the outdoors like a champ, this is the speaker that'll make your music experiences unforgettable. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the JBL Boombox. This thing has a tough cylindrical design with built-in handles for easy carrying, and it's IPX7 waterproof, meaning it can be submerged in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without skipping a beat. Sound-wise, it packs dual passive radiators and 60 watts of power for rich, distortion-free audio with thumping bass that fills large spaces, clear mids, and crisp highs perfect for any genre. Battery life gives you up to 20 hours at moderate volume, and it doubles as a power bank with USB ports to charge your devices on the go. Connectivity is simple, with Bluetooth for wireless streaming from your phone or tablet, and JBL Connect Plus lets you link over 100 compatible speakers for synchronized sound. It even has a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Dimensions are about 20 inches long by 10 inches high, weighing around 11 pounds, so it's portable but substantial. Priced around $200 to $300, it's built to last with a durable fabric and rubber housing. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are booming. Incredible bass and volume that rivals bigger systems. Long 20-hour battery with powerbank feature. Fully waterproof for worry-free use at pools or beaches. JBL Connect Plus for massive multi-speaker parties. And rugged build that takes drops and elements in stride. Users love the party-starting energy, clear calls, and how it outperforms smaller Bluetooth speakers easily. On the con side, it's heavier at 11 pounds, so not ideal for long hikes. The bass can be overpowering for some music without EQ adjustments. No smart assistant integration, and the price is mid-range, but might feel high for basic needs. Overall, the pros hit hard for music lovers on the move. My recommendation? Absolutely. Snag the JBL Boombox if you crave powerful, portable sound with waterproofing and long battery life. And the pros like deep bass and multi-speaker linking make sense for your adventures. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, party throwers, or anyone ditching weak speakers. Before we wrap, if these reviews amp up your audio game, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a music buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.